Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Let me know if you understand this, right? Today I went to get some parts to service my car. So I asked for spark plugs, the usual oil filter, air filter and stuff. So when I collected the things now, I realized I want to get one spark plug. So I went back to the guy and said, how come I want to get one spark plug? He said, well, you know, I started thinking that, anyway, so I said, but nobody buys one spark plug unless it's a mechanic or something. But somebody come to buy stuff to service the car, they don't want one spark plug, they want 4. Anyway, that was just the beginning. So he said I must have to get 3 more. So I said if I buy 3 single spark plugs and that one spark plug, will it add up to more than if I get the 4 in the pack? Because I normally get the 4 in the pack. And this is another thing I don't understand about these places. If you have a regular customer years and years now, you're supposed to have something that show you can go back into like a previous invoice and see, you know what the person, because he was asking me for my chassis number and stuff, so I didn't want to give him my my car documents. I just gave him the insurance thing and he was opening it up. I said, no, you know, you fold it in 3, just at the top you have the car information alone. I don't want anybody to have my address and them something there. So I gave him, I said, don't open it up, just see the chassis number at the top there. You have to be careful, you know, guys. You have to be careful because you see, when you go and people know your address, well, luckily where I live is secure, but some people don't live somewhere secure, and that's how people can steal your car, you know. When them the car parts place, them know how for I'm not saying that it happened, you know, but we at Jamaica we live and we know how it go, right? Anyway, so I get the invoice with the 3 car spark plugs alone now. I said, okay. When I go to the place to collect, you pay for you order one place, you pay one place, you get the invoice, you pay another place, and then you carry the invoice to where they pick it. They go to the storeroom and collect the stuff. Alright. What happened now? Oh, they said they couldn't find 3 single spark plugs. They only have the packs of 4. So I'm wondering, that means that the one spark plug they give me, I must have some old something. Because I was saying to them, this don't look like the spark plug I normally get. But I don't know remember the brand or anything. I would have to look at the old invoice. So what I'll do next time, I'm going to bring my invoice when I'm going back. But that never happened. I don't know if the guy knew or what. Alright, so that is that. When they check now, they realize that the spark plug he put on the paper is a different one from the first one, so you can't give me 1 of one and give me 3 of another. So apparently it's the wrong thing in pick. He put on the invoice. So they say I have to get a 4-pack. I say okay. So that's a separate invoice now. So you'd have to reverse the invoice with the 3 and the new invoice. So the 4 he will add that. But remember, one of the spark plug is on the other invoice with all the other stuff. So when they come now, they say, oh, I can pay the difference. I said, pay what difference? If I buy 3 or 1, I say unless it's a different brand. So when I look, I said, let me see the invoice with the 4. That was like, it was almost the same price as the invoice with the 3. So I said, okay. So GCT is 15% in Jamaica, the tax, sales tax. So I said, let me see I took out because I knew my invoices, because I tell the lady to print out from the card machine. I tell her to staple it on the invoice. So I said, why you don't reverse the one with the 3 and then you put the other one now I paid? They said, I can't, because I didn't. If I had used a credit card, I could reverse it, but I use a debit card, so I can't reverse it. So I'm gonna say, all right then, what am I gonna do now? Nobody don't know if I calculate. Nobody don't know if I calculate the something. So I'm gonna say, okay, give me the papers, give me everything. So I have my 3 papers now. So, and they have their papers, so I show them what I have. I say, okay, we're gonna go to the first invoice with the 1 spark plug, and we're gonna calculate. But the thing is, the first invoice, because it has so many things, it doesn't give the GCT, the sales tax, separately for that 1 spark plug, so you have to calculate it. So what I did was take out the price of that. But I forget, said GCT did change from 16.5 to 15. So I back calculated based on the total and got the 15% just to make sure. So I think the spark plug, I think the spark plug was about either $1,500 or $1,750. So let's say it's for $1,500. So I said, let's calculate the $1,500 plus the sales tax, so 15%, and then we will get the cost of that spark plug. And then we will add the other one with the 3 spark plug to that invoice, and then we will get the total amount I paid for the 4 single spark plugs. And then we will check the difference between that and the invoice with the pack of the 4 spark plugs. You following me? All right. They're like, I said you owe me, I don't owe you, because the price of the 3 that I paid for was almost the same as the price of the 4. From there, some know me never owe them. I said, me tell you something. Me the head of audit for 2 of the major companies in Jamaica already, so me audit and me can check, so don't try. So let me explain to you guys what you're gonna do. You're gonna refund me my money, the difference between the 4 single spark plugs and the one, which is about almost 2,000 Jamaican dollars. It was 1,007 or something like that. You'll hear the cashier to me, oh, we have to give you a check. I said, check me once drive my gas, come back down here, come collect check. I said, no, you're not giving me no check today. If the policy is not to refund cash, go to your boss man. Them money people that who own car place in Jamaica, go to your boss man and tell him, say, take the $1,700 time pocket and give me, because me not coming back down here. No, make me start today down here. Sometimes in Jamaica people take advantage of you, especially if you look too polite and you act too polite and so. I say, because me act polite and thing, me can't, don't try me with this thing today. Me want back my money. And then I say, everybody was looking at me blankly. So I said, alright, give me another bottle of oil, because due to the age of the car, I have to top up. Every now and then I top up the oil until I'm ready to service. Alright. And then, I don't know, maybe the supervisor decide now, say, okay, them all give me. I don't get the money from. They say they go and refund me the money. Because I years, me I do business with them in more years than some of you guys alive that watching this video. And that's how I got back my money. So, you see, when you go to a place and the person that giving you, like the person that was preparing the invoice, and they look a little bit too confused. I'm trying to change lanes. Just watch them a little closer. Is either them up to something, right? Or them don't know what them do, or them want to make a mistake. So the other thing is, it's like how you learn from your experiences. It's like how that happened to me today, it's not gonna happen again. Next time I'm gonna make sure I always keep not even this invoice, because me not even know what happened today with them spark plugs. I'm gonna go home and check, because I know I'm not sure for the right spark plugs me get. So I'm gonna go home and find one of the other invoices. And anytime I go back go buy parts, I carry that invoice with me, because because me not in the mix up thing, and I will check the code. You can check the code on the invoice because they will have an item description, but they should also have an item code, because every item in inventory, especially for big establishments like that, should have an inventory code. So you can do that and check and make sure your invoice correct. Alright, bye. Remember to check out my website, notfit.redbubble.com. That's it. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Remember to press that red arrow at the bottom of the video, and to continue to watch, there is also a link at the end of each video, so you can watch that video which is linked, or to subscribe, share, comment, leave a nice little comment like good video, or if you want anything else to be shown, or you want to add any information in the comment section, please feel free to do so. So I really appreciate you for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.